Yo, what's up? It's Jason with Marley the Jeep. Sitting here putting in this Bestop Underseat LockBox. I've kind of already jumped some of it, and then I was like, man, I need to make a video. So you got to put these 4 screws in to put this. This holds it up in the back. These screws here. And then you're going to want to use a 18-inch socket to get these 2 bolts out here. You're also going to need a Torx T30 bit, and that's going to take out this piece here, and it sits inside the frame like that. This is traditionally, here's the 2 bolts from it, and this is what the holds the wire up out of the way there. You can see it. So then I took and zip tied it up out of the way, so this will be free and clear in the back once I put this in. Yeah, so I got that going. Gonna loosen these up. I'm actually getting ready to grab my drill to make it a little faster, because I'm not about to sit here and do this by hand when I got a drill. Like, that's just dumb. Well, I got a little small impact, so I'm gonna knock that out. I'm sitting here doing this in Marley the Jeep 2016 Jeep Rubicon. I'll be back for more here in a second. That's one out. Man, that one's in there. There we go. If you don't have one of these drills, man, it's a DeWalt 20 volt max of lithium, I believe, ion, brushless motor. It's a little impact, man. These things are amazing. Make sure you get the little attachments to attach your socket attachments, man. But it's beast. So you see how fast I got here, and I mean, it still took a minute even with the powered equipment. So you can imagine, man, how those are warm. You can imagine how much longer it would have took if I wasn't using that. So I'm gonna try to set this up here so you can see if that'll work. That's good enough for now. All right, so I'm just gonna pick this up and then slide it in here like so. All right, so I got it in there. You can see it matches the holes. All right, it's sitting in there nice and flush. You can't really see back in the back, but right here, it's literally got that little attachment that helps it sit up, man. And so that's a pretty clean install. Gonna stick these in here. I should have checked to make sure these are the same size, but yeah, they're exactly the same, so it doesn't matter what side goes in where. I should have grabbed a little probably grabbed a little PB blaster or something to help that go in a little better. I'm getting ready to screw these down, man, and that's going to be Gucci, man. And so now that's in there. The lockbox is nice and secured out of the way. That's a quick, fast, easy install upgrade. Have you a lockbox that's locked in. Keep your valuables, keep your piece in. I'm probably going to keep some stuff in there just to keep locked out. And of course, the Jeep also has the locking center console, so you can put stuff in there, here, and it all locks. And then the glove box locks as well. You can see my Cobra 75W CBWXT or whatever. That's a quick install, man. So check it out. Subscribe, follow, share. Gonna keep doing installs, man. I got all kinds of stuff to do, and then soon we're gonna be going out to Colorado, running some of those trails out there. What's open? Looks like Black Bear Pass may not be open when I get out there. We'll see. Hopefully some stuff changes. But it's Jason, Marley the Jeep. Quick install, the Bestop Underseat LockBox.